the question that I'm asked: what tax strategies do I personally use in terms of running, for the lack of a better word, our family empire? Can't emphasize enough that there's not a strategy, but rather there's several strategies that are used. In fact, forming layers, if you will, of a plan as compared to something in isolation. Unquestionably, I practice what I preach. So amongst those strategies, I do use a family trust. I have different tax planning strategies, if you will, with life insurance. I have an abundant number of corporations for my real estate, for my stock market-based investments, and the alternative investments that I get into. I'm mentoring, or trying, with my wife to mentor our next generation, our kids, in terms of using the strategies, the investment techniques, etc., so something doesn't become undone when we're no longer able to provide guidance. I use cash standing, organization of materials, information. In fairness, most of that's done by my wife, but still it's being used. I'm not afraid to pay for some education, some learning opportunities, to get information. I'm not afraid to pay professionals for advice. I would much rather learn from the mistakes that they see or may have experienced. I can make enough all by myself. I don't need the extra help. And last, at least for this list for now, is I do use an automobile log and try to reasonably carefully log the kilometers that are driven for business and investment purposes. I miss some, no question, but those that are there are solid and help, again, save more taxes. So it's not one thing, it's several. I'm George Duby, saving the world from taxes, one bow tie at a time.
For tax saving and wealth building tips, subscribe to my newsletter. Check out the next video in the series. I want to help you do wonderful things.